टू अक्षय मोटो ब्लॉग्स। आज हम हमारे बाइक की चेन क्लीनिंग और चेन लूप करने वाले हैं। सो ये फुल इजी प्रोसेस आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ इन दिस वीडियो। We are using Motul C1 chain clean and Motul C2 chain loop for this cleaning and lubrication process. So I have bought this whole package from Amazon for 630 rupees. This includes this chain cleaning brush. You can see I have used this previous. It's good actually. This is Motul C1 chain clean and this is chain loop. So let's start the process. You can see the condition of my chain. I just went to Andheri at My TVS for my first servicing. At Poway there were many patches, so chain is little bit dirty. This is Motul C1 chain cleaner. So let's start the process. We just used Motul C1 chain cleaner and did the first process of cleaning. So you can see the dirt is coming out of the chain. Now we will use this brush. It will clean from three sides of the chain. First you clean this way, then this way. So all the three sides will be cleaned properly and all the dirt will get out of the chain easily. So see the dirt. After cleaning the chain by brush, now we are using the clean cloth to remove the remaining dirt from the chain. So let's start the process. We will use this C1 chain clean for a cleaning purpose. After using the brush on the chain, all the sides, we have cleaned the chain, and again we will use this chain cleaner. We are doing our final step of using this Motul C2 chain loop for our chain, so that will help us to maintain the chain properly. So let's begin the process. So this is the final look of our chain after doing all the chain cleaning and chain loop. So results are fantastic. And company also recommends this Motul chain cleaner and chain lube. It is very simple to do this process. No need to go to showroom and wait for such time. So our little moto blogger Avnish. Hi Avnish.
Hi.
Enjoying the chain clean and chain lube?